In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Papa John's gift card balance. This is a simple process that will only take a few minutes of your time. All you need is a computer or a mobile device and your gift card details at hand. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other browser you like. Type in Papa John's in the search bar and hit enter. You'll see a list of search results displayed. Once that is done, look for the official Papa John's website link. It usually appears at the top of the search results. Make sure to click on the correct link to avoid any unofficial or potentially unsafe websites. This step is important because it ensures you're accessing the right platform, keeping your information secure. After you have opened the Papa John's website, scroll down to the footer of the page. In the footer, you'll find various links to different sections of the site. Look for the link labeled gift cards and click on it. This will direct you to the gift card section where you can manage your card details. Next up, within the gift card section, you will see an option to check card balance. Click on this option. It's a straightforward step, but it takes you directly to where you need to input your gift card information. At this point, you'll see fields asking for your card number and PIN. These are usually located on the back of your physical gift card. If you have a digital card, check your email for these details. Type in the card number carefully and then enter the PIN. Double check to make sure there are no errors. This makes sure your balance check will be accurate. With that ready, click the Submit button. This will process your request, and within moments, you'll see your gift card balance displayed on the screen. You will see a confirmation appear, indicating the available balance on your gift card. And there you have it. You've successfully checked your Papa John's gift card balance. This little step saves you a lot of time later, ensuring you're aware of how much you have left to spend. Remember, keeping track of your gift card balance can help you plan your purchases better. If you ever encounter any issues, you can always reach out to Papa John's customer service for assistance. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. Have a great day and enjoy your next pizza from Papa John's.